Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics when it comes to work and money. The differences in working culture and financial habits between three generations: Generation X, Millennials, and Generation Z. We'll explore how these generations approach work, how they manage their money, and what societal factors led to such stark differences. Stick around if you've ever wondered why your parents, you, or your younger siblings handle careers and finances in completely different ways. Let's start with Generation X. This generation is typically defined as those born between 1965 and 1980. This generation entered the workforce during a time when traditional career paths were dominant, and corporate loyalty was a major part of the work culture. For Generation X, the workplace was typically structured with strict hierarchies, where advancement was based on tenure and following a set path. The idea of staying at a company for decades wasn't unusual, in fact it was encouraged. For many Gen Xers, the ideal career meant stability and job security. This generation tends to value a clear division between work and personal life, a concept that's being challenged by younger generations. While they are often comfortable with a traditional 9-to-5 schedule, Gen Xers were also the first generation to experience and adapt to the introduction of personal computers and the internet in the workplace, making them somewhat of a bridge between the analog world and the digital age. As a result, they had to navigate a lot of workplace changes, but their core values remained centered around loyalty and structure. Money management. In terms of finances, Generation X is a more conservative group. Many came of age during the economic downturns of the late 70s and early 80s, so they learned to value savings and long-term financial planning. For Generation X, it's all about saving for retirement. They were the pioneers of 401k plans after companies began phasing out traditional pensions. Generation X is known for investing in real estate, with many members of this generation prioritizing homeownership as a symbol of financial success. They tend to avoid risky investments like cryptocurrency, favoring stocks, bonds, and mutual funds instead. But here's the catch. Many in Generation X feel the pressure of being sandwiched between caring for aging parents and financially supporting their own children, particularly Millennials, who often faced economic difficulties starting their careers. This dynamic has shaped how they handle their money. They're cautious, often seeking stability and focusing on long-term goals rather than the short-term gratification that defines younger generations. What shaped Generation X? The economic landscape Generation X grew up in was marked by recessions, high inflation, and the shift to more globalized corporate environments. They were the first generation to deal with job insecurity due to automation and outsourcing, but their core work ethic remains rooted in a traditional hierarchical system. Next up, we have Millennials, typically defined as those born between 1981 and 1996. This generation has had a radically different experience, both in work and finances. Work culture Millennials entered the workforce just as the digital revolution was taking off. For them, technology is second nature. Email, smartphones, and now video conferencing tools like Zoom have completely reshaped how they work. Flexibility is key for this generation. Unlike Generation X, they don't want rigid 9-to-5 jobs. Instead, they value remote work, flexible hours, and a better work-life balance. In fact, Millennials are the generation that popularized the gig economy. Freelancing, contract work, and side hustles have become the norm. They're far more willing to change jobs frequently compared to Generation X, seeking better opportunities, more personal fulfillment, and work environments that align with their values. They've rejected the idea of sticking with one company for life, believing that career growth comes from gaining varied experiences rather than from long-term loyalty. Workplace culture for Millennials is about collaboration and transparency. They expect employers to offer more than just a paycheck. Things like mentorship, career development opportunities, and a focus on company culture are important to them. Money management. Millennials have faced unique financial challenges, which have shaped how they manage money. Many came of age during the 2008 financial crisis, which significantly impacted their career prospects and financial stability. Student loan debt is a defining feature of this generation. With many Millennials carrying heavy student debt loads, they've had to delay traditional financial milestones like buying a home or starting a family. But despite this financial pressure, Millennials are also more willing to invest in experiences over material goods. For them, traveling, eating out, and pursuing hobbies often take precedence over saving for a house. When it comes to investing, they're more open to newer, high-risk opportunities like cryptocurrency and fintech solutions, although traditional investments like stocks are still popular. They're also the first generation to embrace financial technology. Apps for budgeting, investing, and saving are a staple of millennial financial management. Services like Robinhood, Acorns, and Venmo make it easy for them to track spending, save, and invest on the go. What shaped Millennials? Millennials were deeply affected by the 2008 financial crash, which stunted their career growth and earning potential early on. They also grew up during a time when technology was advancing at a breakneck pace, and their comfort with digital tools has enabled them to navigate the changing work landscape with ease. Despite the economic challenges, they've adapted by embracing flexibility and innovation in both work and finances. Finally, let's talk about Gen Z, those born roughly between 1997 and 2012. This generation has never known a world without the internet, and that shapes everything about how they work and manage their money. Gen Z is pushing the boundaries of what work can look like. They were thrust into remote work during the COVID-19 pandemic, and many of them have no desire to go back to traditional office settings. For them, the workplace must be flexible, with hybrid or fully remote models as the norm. Work autonomy is incredibly important to Gen Z. They value freedom and prefer to have control over how and where they work. This generation is also highly entrepreneurial. Thanks to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Shopify, Gen Zers can start businesses, create content, and monetize their passions at a young age. They're not afraid to think outside the box when it comes to generating income, and many seek multiple streams of revenue early on. Additionally, mental health is a key focus for this generation. They prioritize wellness and are more likely to set boundaries around work to protect their mental health, which is a stark contrast to the grind mentality often seen in older generations. Gen Z is financially cautious, especially in comparison to millennials. They grew up seeing the financial struggles of their parents and older siblings during the 2008 recession, and as a result they tend to be more careful with debt and spending. This generation is more likely to save and invest early. Thanks to the rise of financial education platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, they have access to personal finance advice from a young age. Many are savvy about managing their money and use digital tools to budget and invest. Like millennials, they're comfortable with fintech, but they're even more focused on sustainable investing and aligning their money with their values, such as through socially responsible or environmental investing. Interestingly, Gen Z is also embracing cryptocurrencies and NFTs, but with more caution compared to millennials, who often jumped into these spaces enthusiastically. Gen Z tends to research thoroughly before diving into investments, and is quick to adapt to new financial trends. Gen Z grew up in the shadow of the Great Recession and entered adulthood during a global pandemic, which significantly influenced their outlook on work and money. They've seen the instability of traditional career paths, and are drawn to careers and financial strategies that offer more flexibility and control. Now that we've explored the generational differences, let's talk about what's driving these changes in work culture and financial management across Gen X, Millennials, and Gen Z. First and foremost, technology is the biggest driver of change. From the introduction of personal computers in the Gen X era to the complete digitalization of the workplace for Gen Z, technology has reshaped how we work. Remote work, gig economy platforms, and the rise of fintech have completely altered both working styles and financial management. Each generation has experienced unique economic events that have shaped their financial habits. Gen X grew up during recessions and saw the rise of corporate globalization. Millennials entered the workforce during the 2008 financial crisis, which impacted their earning potential and financial stability. Gen Z came of age during the COVID-19 pandemic, which further disrupted traditional work models and highlighted the need for financial preparedness and flexibility. Lastly, social and cultural values have changed over time. For Gen X, success was defined by job stability and financial security. Millennials value experiences and work-life balance. Gen Z, meanwhile, is focused on mental health, financial independence, and sustainability. The shift from seeking stability to seeking purpose and flexibility reflects broader societal changes in what we value as individuals and as a workforce. So, to sum it up, Generation X, Millennials, and Gen Z each approach work and money differently due to the unique social, technological, and economic influences they've experienced. While Gen X values stability and traditional career paths, Millennials embrace flexibility and are quick to adopt new technology. Gen Z is even more entrepreneurial and cautious with their finances, driven by their experiences growing up in a volatile world. Understanding these differences can help bridge the gap between generations in the workplace and in our personal lives. If you've noticed these changes in your own career or financial habits, drop a comment below and let us know which generation you resonate with most. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it insightful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on generational differences, work, and finance. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We'll be diving into topics like the future of remote work and how to invest wisely in the digital age, so stay tuned.